Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stamping Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you how to make a real simple, fast card using our designer series paper, Noble Peacock. Okay, so I'm going to put this up. So what I just did was I took, where is my Noble Peacock? It was right here. I just had it. Well, anyhow, what I did was I took a sheet of Noble Peacock. Oh, there it is. And I cut them, I cut an inch off, and then I cut them in 4-inch strips. Now, there are some beautiful, this is a lot thicker. This is Specialty Designer Series paper, and it's a lot thicker. I think it's even thicker than our cardstock. It's a one-sided. You get this, and then it's white on the back. You get 4 sheets of each. And so I just cut them 4 inches. And it'd be 4 by 11 inches, so it's just a little bit smaller than our normal size card, but it'll fit in our medium envelopes. And you don't have to worry so much about shipping them. They'll still be the medium envelope, so it will ship fine. And this is just a really quick one. Since this is so thick, see how thick it is? It's not like the rest of them. So what we're going to be using is I'm going to be using the Royal Peacock. I am going to be using Pretty Peacock and Blueberry Bushel. And I am going to be using the new 2001 Stampin' Right markers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 11 by 4 inch piece of Noble Peacock, and I'm going to fold that in half, just like that. Now that's beautiful, isn't it? Now if you want, you can write in it, just use it as a note card. You could probably even punch something out and put a sentiment on it, but I just think it's just beautiful this way, don't you? So what I am going to do, let me turn, see, yeah. I am going to just do some of the inside. So let me get my other, there. I am going to use my Pretty Peacock, and I'm going to use my sentiment. I am so very proud of you. And I'm going to stamp that right in the middle. And then I'm going to be using my Blueberry Bushel. And I'm going to put these on each corner. Okay, let me clean these off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the new in colors, Stampin' Right markers, and I'm just going to color in, oh, that's not the, I'm going to color in the flowers on here. So let me bring this down a little bit more. So we have Seaside and Purple Posy and Seaside Spray, and then I am going to use the Pretty Peacock, and I am going to use the Terracotta. Not going to use the Rococo Rose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, and what I am just going to And then on this side I'm going to do the little ones, the two outside of the 3. And just the opposite with this. And do this. I love this because you get the 4 sheets of this, so you can make 3 cards of each sheet if you want. Don't have to, but there we go. And there you go. Perfect outside, just beautiful as is. Just remember when you cut it, to cut it the 11 inches with the way you want it. Of course, you could probably do it this way too and just put the saying the other way. So thanks for visiting. Remember to follow me on YouTube. All the information to do this card is down below. All the supplies, please. I'd appreciate it if you would purchase your supplies from me and help out a small business. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.